Full body workouts, like anything else, have their pros and cons, though typically they are more beneficial than not. Pros. A full body workout is great for people who are specifically aiming to build strength and provide numerous advantages. For instance, they are significantly less time consuming than other workouts, because they do not need to be performed every day of the week. 2 or 3 times per week is sufficient. This is very convenient for people who have a busy lifestyle, or for people who do other sports. Furthermore, they possess another important advantage: muscular recovery rates are much faster than those of other workouts. This is important to bear in mind. Your muscles need to recover in between workout sessions. Some workouts have low recovery rates, meaning that you have to space your workouts further apart so that your muscles get a chance to recover before your next workout, such as the case with weight training. However, muscular recovery does not take long for full body workouts, so you can work out more frequently. Full body workouts provide yet another appealing advantage: they lower the level of stress that is exerted on your central nervous system. This is because they do not involve lifting weights, which stimulate the central nervous system, regardless of what kind of movements you perform in the process of weightlifting. Full body workouts are easy to do at home or anywhere because no equipment is needed and little space is required to perform them. This means full body workouts are cheap and can be done whenever is most convenient for you. This is not always the case with other exercise options. Moreover, full body workouts are great for burning fat, so in essence you are killing 2 birds with one workout: strength building and fat burning. Many of the full body moves are quite intense, and because multiple muscle groups are used at once, they elicit the anaerobic state, which is the most effective zone for fat burning, much more so than cardio. When you work in an anaerobic state, you also boost that fat-burning energy long after the workout is over, so you can burn throughout the day for healthy weight loss and weight management. Finally, because full-body workouts are so varied, they are not repetitive, which makes them fun and prevents them from becoming boring. You are more likely to stick to your workout routine if you enjoy doing it. Another great benefit of variety in workouts is that they challenge the body and prevent it from adapting to any one workout. This is crucial to get the best results from your workouts, to grow muscles and strength, and to improve overall conditioning. Cons. Not everybody has the fitness level necessary to do full body workouts. It takes a certain level of fitness and strength to perform them. Keep in mind that you can work up to doing these moves, and as your fitness level increases, you can keep adding more body weight moves into your routine. It is certainly worth your while with all the benefits that they provide. Given that you need to warm up each muscle group you target in full body workouts, warm-up exercises are more time-consuming than ones you might perform with other exercises. You also have to make sure that you organize your workout properly so that you do not fatigue too quickly and will be able to perform to the end. Full body exercises are more intense than other forms of training moves, and so exertion levels are higher. For more information on weight loss, exercise, and healthy eating, join our free membership site for video training, downloads, and much more.